In this video, I'll show you how to select all clips in Capcut Mobile. So first of all, you'll need to note that Capcut Mobile does not have a direct select all button or multimedia select tool for clip on the timeline. Like on PC, you can just click on Ctrl A or select with your mouse all the things that you want to select. But for phone, that's not an option. You'll just have to do some workarounds. Like as an example, I'll just go here to a project of mine. And as you can see here, I do have the first video for the first media as an example. Let me just go and make this smaller first of all, so we don't keep scrolling here a lot. And as you can see, I have here a second video. So if you want to select it, you'll be able to click it. You cannot click more than one. So to select it all, the workaround is basically to export this. So make sure to click on export at the top right and export the video as it is. So once it is exported, as an example, let me just go here and change like the quality to a lower quality as an example. Or okay, I'll just keep it as it is and I'm going to click on export. So once you export it, all the media, or just simply, first of all, you'll have to go and add to the timeline all the media that you want to select together. Once you add it, all of it, make sure to go and export it together. So it's going to be making one singular video. Once you do that, once it's exported, you'll just have to upload it back to Capcut, and you will be able then to select it as a singular media. And then you'll be able to compress it, reduce the speed, do whatever you want, or do whatever editing style you want to do it. So there's no direct option. There is just this option to do it. So an example here, once it's finished, or once this finish exporting, I'll show you. So I had two videos, but when I export this, I'm going to add it into a new project. I'll be able to do it without any problem. So just wait. As you can see, done. I don't want to share it or anything. So yeah, I don't want that. Let me just go and close this. And yeah, let me just go back. Okay. I'll close this and open this back again. And here I'm going to create a new video, but now we're going to choose the video that we just exported. So for example, I'm going to click on create a new video. And here when I'm going to get that, I'm going to choose the video that I just exported, which is this one. And as you can see, at the last of it, I'll have this my second video. So click on add. And now if I select it, I'll be able to select it all. So all the media now is selected with singular click. And basically, as I said, there's no direct option. The only option is just this export button. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.